Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM to log LinkedIn leads automatically, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Zoho CRM to log LinkedIn leads automatically, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho CRM website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the top navigation bar and click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find and select Marketplace. Within the Marketplace, search for LinkedIn in the search bar. Click on the LinkedIn integration option that appears. On the LinkedIn integration page, click the Install button to begin the integration process. A prompt will appear requesting authorization to access your LinkedIn account. Click Authorize to proceed. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page if you are not already logged in. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. After logging in, LinkedIn will ask for permission for Zoho CRM to access your account data. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Return to the Zoho CRM interface, where you will see a confirmation that LinkedIn is successfully integrated. Next, navigate to the Automation section in the Settings menu. Under Automation, select Workflow Rules. Create a new workflow by clicking the Create Rule button. Set a name for your workflow, such as LinkedIn Leads Logging. Choose the module related to leads. Specify the trigger conditions for the workflow. Select LinkedIn Lead as the lead source within the rules. Define the actions that should occur when a LinkedIn lead is captured. Make sure the logging action is included in your workflow. Save your workflow rule and enable it. Now go to your LinkedIn profile and navigate to your lead generation area. Start generating leads on LinkedIn using whatever strategy you prefer. As leads are generated, they will automatically be captured in Zoho CRM. You can track these leads by going to the Leads module in Zoho CRM. Review your leads to ensure they are logged correctly. If there are any errors or issues, revisit the workflow settings for adjustments. With these steps, you have successfully authorized Zoho CRM to log your LinkedIn leads automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.